I'm going back over whatever I went through.
Yeah.
I have ample time to do so until 1 o'clock.
That's nice.
That's the downstairs. Of course, the kitchen, the closet's smaller.
Yeah, smaller for sure.
A ton smaller, but oh no,
toilet.
that's a toilet. All right.
With some privacy.
I guess they were in a wheelchair or they were lazy.
I can see that.
It's one or the other. So
Sure. Yeah. That makes sense.
yeah. All right.
Okay.
Let me go upstairs here and look around.
So all this stuff in here, my guy's an investor, so he purchased it, did a bunch of work to it, so all fresh paint, new carpet,
Okay.
new fixtures throughout.
Okay.
So if you have any questions, just let me know. I don't want to hover over you, so.
All right. Yeah, thank you. Well, there's a walk-in closet there. Randomly in the living room. Oh, I hear that squeak of the floor.
Yeah.
Oh. It's on the other side.
Oh, okay.
But for right-handed people, that's weird.
Okay.
That's disconcerting, I guess. I should flush it to see how it flushes, because maybe the toilet doesn't flush. There's another walk-in closet.
I really want to touch a toilet, man.
I got a foot. Here's a bedroom.
It's actually a decent size too, and the closet's
Yeah, it's not that bad. All right, so there's a bathroom there. There must be 2 other rooms. Here's one.
Double seat.
And it has a walk-in closet also.
That's pretty small.
Okay, we currently have a Jack and Jill, but it's different because there's sinks on both sides, and it says, oh, this is, I don't think this is a Jack and Jill actually. This is just a bathroom.
Is it?
No,
Oh,
it's not.
no, never
Yeah.
mind. I thought that was another bedroom for
No.
attached. But
Yeah, it's not.
yeah, it doesn't. Oh, wait.
Does it have a room?
No.
And this is another bedroom. And another walk-in closet.
And you had mentioned that the windows had all been replaced, and there was a transferable warranty that would be conferred upon the person buying the house.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, they just locked up one. That means we'd have to go through and lock them up.
Oh.
But that's interesting that this closet has a window in it.
I don't really see a closet with a window.
Me either, but
Huh?
yeah.
Whatever.
So there's. Oh wait, that's a closet. We discussed
Yeah, we
that.
already
Yeah.
did that.
So I think we're good upstairs, yeah. I think I'm going to go back and take a look around again a little bit.
Okay.
So did you? Yeah. So do you know what the story is with the thermostat really low like that?
Right here?
Yeah.
So this is it's a security system.
Oh, it is. Okay. Well, still small.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
You probably didn't even notice it because I actually noticed this earlier. So it was a little warm when I got in, so I wasn't sure where the thermostat was.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It is a little. It's right here on the second. So I don't know why it's there. I've never seen it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. No, I mean, it's a different place for it, but yeah, that's okay.
It's there though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess their theory was that way it's
Up or
upstairs.
down, yeah. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
I'm not too sure. It's a little quirky, I'm not gonna lie. But the rest of the house is wonderful.
Yeah.
So the roof is only about 5% too, so the roof's fairly new.
Okay.
So it should have, I don't think there's like a transferable warranty that we have per se. I can look into that.
Okay.
But with it being 5 years old, those shingles should be still intact. Yeah.
Okay. Checking in the older. Yes, incredibly so.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Have you guys talked with any lenders or anything lately? As far as how you're...
Yeah, we're all set.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I was going to tell you, there's some good programs out there, because I know the rates are a little crazy. There's some really good programs that some lenders are offering for what's called like a 3-2-1 buy down.
Okay.
And so essentially they'll give you 3% off your rate for the first year, second year will be 2%,
Temporary buy
third
down,
year will be
sure.
So it's a temporary rate buy down.
Okay. Yeah.
So they're trying to get creative because everyone understands the rates are a little
Market
a
is
little crazy.
It's a little wild, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Did you want to go back through the back?
how eager? Well, let's ask: is your buyer open to
Or
concessions?
seller?
Seller.
Yeah.
I mean seller.
What type of concessions would you be looking for?
That's the money guy right there. So I'll let you talk to it.
Well, as far as we understand, the whole concession thing is like the percentage or discounting the
Two
closing
ways:
costs.
discounting the closing costs, or for us, it would help us buy down our
Interest
interest rate.
Sure.
Yeah.
Now,